CNA. Greetings and salutations. Oh, glorious. You know, if you ever, whether it's for a bus conversion, an RV, or your house, if you ever get one of these mini splits, make sure it's a heat pump. Because it's nice to have air conditioning in a room that may not have, an addition or something that may not have any HVAC running to it. That's a really inexpensive and effective way of conditioning a room. But it's doubly nice when it makes heat, when it's cold. That's what this does. Highly recommend it. But today, I haven't done anything on this bus in a very long time. The last thing I did was the red guard in the bathroom, and as you can see, there's still no tile. Just haven't gotten around to it yet. What is going on? But I did get some stain, just a little bit of stain, and I'm going to see about staining these cabinets right here. This is Varathane. Ooh, achieve color in one coat. Varathane in gray, weathered gray. So I was going to try this out on one cabinet and see if I like it, and if I do, I'm fairly certain I will. I'm going to do the cabinets in gray, and that should match this weathered wood. That should match that weathered wood nicely. And if I don't, I'll just paint over it. Oh, the heat feels good. Spectacles. That's where they went. Be right back. Brush. kind of digging it. Let me finish this cabinet and we'll come back look at it together when this one's done, yeah? What do you think? I like it. And I'll continue that over to this side of the cabinets. Of course, that's probably going to be all tile at some point. What the hell is that? But gray. I gotta figure out what I'm going to do up there yet. Up there. Which brings me to my next point. I've had several people comment, you got too many projects. Most recently, somebody, I think in the last video, somebody said, you have too many projects, sell me the bus. And I told them 20 grand, it's yours. And the fact of the matter is that everything here, both the Jeeps, the dually, this, Big Ugly, the big blue Suburban, everything's for sale. Everything has a price. It's just a question of whether or not you want to cough up the money and actually commit to buying it. I've had several offers. In fact, I had one really serious offer. Oh, geez, I don't want to say back when I was painting this thing. And it was a serious offer. In fact, the guy, I turned him down, and the guy ended up buying a bus. And within a few months had it up and running, and now him and his wife are living full time in their converted school bus. They were going to swing by here last summer, and our schedules didn't coalesce, so I ended up missing him. But more recently, I've had an offer of 14 grand, and I turned that down. I've got 2.5 years of my life wrapped up into this, and it's probably, I would say, I sat down and thought about it the other day, and I think a couple of $1,000s would put this thing on the road. I mean, it wouldn't be totally buttoned up. It'd still have some finishing touches, but, you know, face the cabinets, get the bunks finished off with cushions for the couches, and we have a bed that'll fit in the back there, so that's no big deal. But about probably $2,500 would put this thing on the road. Things have changed, and I'm growing, like I've mentioned it before in several videos, I'm just growing weary of all this stuff, and this stuff is consuming me, and I'm at a point in my life where I'm open to giving it up. I've sold some stuff that I didn't think I was ever going to sell, and I'm okay with it. Same thing with the bus. I'm not going to give it away, and it's not to say that we won't use it. If we don't sell it, we will. But everything's for sale. So if you're interested in about an 80% converted school bus, as is, 20 grand. That being said, and for 20 grand, I'll get the title switched over to an RV. I haven't done that yet. But see, what time is it? Oh, I got plenty of time for activities, but I'm gonna. This cabinet. These cabinets are stained, and I'm gonna move over to this side and stain these, and maybe I'll tell you what. I'll do a hyperlapse. I'll set it up over here. I'll do a hyperlapse, and you can see me do this in super fast motion, super speed. I don't know. I thought about painting that the same color as the ceiling and stuff, but I think I might do that in gray too. I have enough. only used a half a can of this I only used a half a can of this stuff. So, put the top back on this. Tell you what. I need to find a hammer. Enough. So I'll leave it up to you. You tell me, should I do that in gray too? Or should I do that in eggshell or white or whatever color I do the ceiling in? Comment in the comment section. If you want to make an offer, down in the comment section, hit me up. And then if you like this series, hit the like button and share it with the vast social media network. That is probably the single best thing that you can do for this channel, is hit the like button and share it with your vast social media network. Share it here, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it on Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. But share it. And then if you haven't subbed yet, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. And right next to it is a little bell, a little picture of a bell. It's really cute. Go ahead and click the sub button and that little bell icon so you can be notified of future uploads. Until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Don't forget to check the links in the description for Amazon links. I'm an affiliate, and that's another way that you can support this channel financially, by buying stuff on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.